Today, our chefs will face new challenges. They will have to cook using unorthodox tools. Will they be able to do it? See it for yourself. In the left corner, the doctor. Treating people is her calling, and she knew it from when she was a child. In the right corner, the outstanding chef. Well, girls, the task for today is profiteroles. What do you mean you can't remember? Try to remember, honey. I'm sure you can. Almost. Yes, good job. Now swap places and get yourself familiar with the opponent's tools. You will be cooking using these today. Chef, I don't even want to ask what's in these test tubes. I don't know what these thingamabobs you will be working with are. You'll have to deal with it yourself. You have a few minutes to prepare yourself, Doctor. I see you love your kitchen perfectly clean and sanitized. That's great! So, are you ready? Mix milk with water and bring it to a boil. In your case, Chef, you can't pour it fast. However, that makes it more interesting, doesn't it? Now add butter, flour, then stir. Next up, eggs. Oh, Doctor. Chef is whipping the eggs with tweezers, and she's doing good. And the dough is ready, even though she isn't particularly happy about the tools. The next task is slightly harder. You have to pipe the dough onto a baking tray. Any ideas, Chef? Wow, that's a great idea! It looks like it's supposed to work like that. This is a perfect dough mold. Start baking. Doctor, how are you doing? Well, you sanitized the baking tray. What's next? Oh, something definitely went wrong. Do it the same way you work with syringes. Focus. Now that's way better. You just didn't take distance into account. Oh, I feel like it's gonna stick together. Let's hope I'm wrong. Put the dough into the oven. And remember, bake for 50 minutes exactly. For the icing, mix 7 ounces of cream cheese with 5½ ounces of condensed milk. Stir it with love, girls, because icing is the most important thing in your cream puffs. Chef, this is some surgical precision. Put on more. I love it. Doctor, these are not cream puffs. There's nothing puffy about them at all. My fears came true. Can you salvage at least one? It looks more like dark tangerine peels from a distance. But that's actually not funny at all. I wanted to eat all of them after the contest. You know what? Being inventive while cooking is a must. Go on. Well, that's not actually a cream puff, of course, but that'll do as a mini cake with icing. Chef, making chocolate circles with a squeeze bulb is very creative, and it looks symmetrical. Awesome! Now you just have to pour chocolate on top and sprinkle it with some coconut shreds. Girls, I noticed something. Doctor's mini cakes look like mussels. So what? Sweet mussels is a very inventive idea. Oh, and what's that? Oh no, it's supposed to be all about beauty, and what we have here is the scariest bloody dessert ever. If you ask anyone, who do you think made these? Everybody will tell you it's a doctor. Well, what are you doing there? Hey, I didn't mean to hurt you. Where are you putting the treats? Stop! At least leave me some chef's cream puffs. She took them away, and she ran away so fast as though there's an urgent need of donors at the sweets transfusion station. I hope our cream puffs will save someone's life. Am I right, Chef? Hey, you, Piker! This isn't your solo performance. Be quiet in our kitchen. Moreover, this is a very important moment. You are about to find out the recipe for challenge. Caesar salad. Is it okay with you? Then swap your tools and let's begin. Yeah, Chef, stop complaining. These are the rules of the game. Hold the mic tighter. It will probably come in handy. And you actually got ready for it very well. A uniform, a cap, and an apron. It all matches. And the musician is back at it again. He can even play using kitchenware. Start mixing the ingredients. Hey, that isn't a whiskey and cola drink. Look at what the chef is doing and try doing something similar. This is probably the first time a flute is used in such manner. Don't get mad, musician. A delicious Caesar salad needs some sacrifices. Taste your sauce. One of them is not that good, but it's too late now. It's time to cook the chicken. It's too soon to laugh, buddy. Our chef is always inventive. See? I told you. I wonder if the cord can handle slicing. How about a guitar pick? Well, that's actually a nice discovery. The chef nailed it again. Wait, you can even take a guitar pick with you when you're going camping. What? It does the job very well, and it doesn't take much space. Oh, you've already covered the chicken with sauce while I was talking. Great! It turns out fighting isn't the only thing you can do with your fists. Unbelievable, isn't it? Now slice the bacon. Caesar without bacon is like a cake without a cherry on the top. Slices turn out more even when you have a knife and not a guitar pick. The chef will definitely have uneven pieces in his salad. However, it may give the salad a more mysterious look. Don't get sad. Sometimes good taste matters more than just good looks. Take that into account when you'll be frying meat. The melody sounds nice, but you need to concentrate in order to cook. You'll be free to have fun as soon as you finish your salad. What's wrong with the bacon? The slices are huge! Well, you can tell right away who's a more frequent guest at restaurants. Look at the chef's bacon slices. That's what they're supposed to look like. Small. Are you even listening? Hey, musician! I can smell something burning. Chef, the judge is correct once again. Taste is the only thing that matters. However, the musician failed at all the aspects. Wow, buddy, cooking isn't your cup of tea. But don't give up. You still have a chance to fix everything. Once again, look at the chef and copy what he's doing. There you go. Good job. Watch the temperature, otherwise the bacon situation will happen again. What is it? Has cooking inspired you for a new song? Anything can happen in our kitchen. Buddy, why are you carelessly throwing meat around? It's not your biker jacket. Are you actually stuck in this character? Oh, these rockers. Deep inside, I hope that you would develop a cooking talent. There we go. The gadgets are getting some use. That's not a guitar. Respect the tools of other professionals. The chef treats yours gently and tries not to damage them. However, I have doubt concerning this cord. Chopping lettuce with it is pretty easy, but you can also injure your hands. Now this is hardcore. Guys, what's next? Quail eggs? Great! Hey Rocker, what puzzled you? Oh no, where did you learn to peel eggs like that? Why are you all stressed out? Yeah, trying out new things isn't always easy. Hold up, the end of the battle is close. Did you decide to turn on the turbo mode? Would you eat this Caesar salad? Chef, don't put a lot of effort into it. We already know who's the winner. Are you done? Well, that was fast. Aren't you ashamed to serve this dish? Did you grate the cheese? Chef, please don't turn into the Hulk. I as well am barely holding myself. Show him what Caesar salad is supposed to look like. Watching you is a lot of fun. Can't tell the same about our rocker. Chef, it's perfect. Don't be angry at me. The judge didn't know that the musicians are only good at music. I won't risk tasting his salad. It's up to you to decide. Too much salt? Anything but your salad, Chef. Wow. Well, Chef, you're not losing any points. And neither for that. I know the rocker was annoying. I'm finally tasting it.